Definition of water pollution. Water pollution is the contamination of water bodies such as rivers, lakes, oceans, and groundwater with harmful substances making the water unsafe for human consumption, wildlife, and ecosystems. These pollutants can include chemicals, toxins, pathogens, plastics, and other waste materials that degrade water quality and harm aquatic life. Water pollution can result from various human activities, including industrial discharges, agricultural runoff, sewage, and improper waste disposal, as well as natural sources like volcanic eruptions or wildfires. It poses significant environmental, economic, and health risk. There are a lot of types of water pollutions, and now we are going to talk about 6 types of water pollutions. First, chemical pollution. Second, surface water pollution. Third, groundwater pollution. Fourth, oxygen depletion pollution. Fifth, microbiological pollution. And the last one, oil spillages. Right now, we are going to talk about microbiological water pollution. Microbiological water pollution. Here are 3 factors that contributed to microbiological water pollution. First, poor sanitation and hygiene practices. Poor sanitation systems such as open defecation or poorly maintained septic tanks lead to contamination of water sources with pathogens. Improper hand washing and food handling spread microorganisms. Second, industrial and agricultural activities. Discharge of untreated wastewater from factories or livestock farms often contains high level of harmful bacteria, viruses, and protozoa. Runoff from fields treated with animal manure or contaminated irrigation water introduces pathogens into nearby water bodies. Third, flooding and natural disaster. Flood water can carry sewage and other waste materials into clean water sources, spreading waterborne disease. Hurricanes and tsunamis can damage wastewater treatment facilities, leading to contamination.
Hello everyone, my name is Putri Mayamin Emin Bashar from class C111. So right now I am going to show you guys how to use test kit method called choline gel to test for the E. coli bacteria in natural water or storm water.
This is the equipment for the experiment. First, pipette. Second, petri dishes. Third, easy gel nutrient bottles. Next, incubator. Disposable pipette tips. Rubber nitrate hoops.
So let's start our experiment by using a pipette to extract 5 ml of sample water. Fully discharge sample water into nutrient bottle. Put a cap on a nutrient bottle and label the sample so that we can identify the sample. If transporting the sample, put it in a chill cooler so that the bacteria is still active. Gently invert the nutrient bottles to make sure the water sample is well mixed. Write the same thing that we labeled on the cap of the nutrient bottle on the petri dish for the incubation. Gently pour the sample from the nutrient bottle into the petri dish. Carefully place the petri dish into the incubator.
Incubate Petri dish for 24 hours at the optimum E. coli culturing temperature of 95 degrees Fahrenheit. After the incubation is complete, remove the Petri dish from the incubator and flip the Petri dish upside down for observation. Each colony forming unit of E. coli will appear as a dark purple dots.
So, the expected outcome is the amount of dots that appeared in the Petri dish. Next, understand the severity, which is by the amount of the dots appeared, we can see that when the more the dots are come, the worse the quality of the water.
Civil engineering solution that helps reduce the impact. Stormwater management system. Stormwater detention ponds. These ponds capture runoff and allow contaminants to settle, preventing microorganisms from flowing into water bodies. Adding biofiltration media or sediment traps can enhance their pathogen removal efficiency. Treatment wetlands for stormwater. As part of a stormwater management system, treatment wetlands can be designed to reduce microbiological pollutants before stormwater discharge into larger water bodies. Here are some effectiveness in mitigating the pollution. First, sedimentation. As water is temporarily stored, heavier particles like sediments, debris, and some pollutants settled at the bottom. Second, nutrient reduction. Some nutrients such as phosphorus and nitrogen can be captured if the pond includes vegetation or sedimentation zones. Third, temperature regulation. The pond can help moderate water temperature, reducing thermal pollution in nearby water bodies. Fourth, design. Larger ponds with longer detention times are more effective at pollutant removal. Fifth, maintenance. Regular removal of sediments and debris is essential to maintain efficiency. Sixth, vegetation. Plants around the pond can enhance pollutant uptake and stabilize the banks to prevent erosion.